Alright, here we go. Got the Federal 44 mag, 180 grain hollow point. Just gonna sit there and do a flour or rice expansion, and then check the feet per second on there as well, and do a little quick grouping of it. And that's pretty much it. About cut and dry is what we're getting on that one. So y'all stick around and stay tuned. Federal 44 Magnum. Just doing the flour rice, catching in the denim, and getting the feet per second again on these. And we got another error. Let me and one more shot. These group pretty good, as you can see. Yeah, my Corona's something's messed up. Batteries might be going dead. Yeah, and those Federals, they group them pretty good. Got here, and here, and like I said, it's a little bit high. I mean, granted, this is a 6-inch circle, so I mean it's not too far off. But at 50 yards, it's gonna be a little bit higher, those bullets, and then at 100 yards, it's gonna actually be coming down a little. So that's why I'm not even worried about that. It's if I'm shooting say a hog in the head at 50 yards, I'm just going to aim a little lower on it. But that's grouping pretty good. So let's step over here and see what we got out of the fun house. Got it right there. Beautiful bullet. Good looking bullet. We'll get that back to the table. Alright, here we go. Got the 44 Magnum with the flour rice minus the speed. Chronograph was just not doing its thing today. It's probably too bright, too sunny. Anyways, here we go. Hit the flour, hit the rice into the denim, and showed y'all the accuracy on these. These are actually, so far from what I found, are the best running through the CVA Hunter. If you're looking for ammo that's going to group really well, if you can find some of the Federal jacketed hollow points like these, give them a try. You'd probably be liking it. So here we go. Well, what do we got? We got 180 grain. Yeah, 180 grain. 44 Magnum. Let's see what they opened up at. 79.79. Very nice expansion. Let's get some weight going, keeping it cut and dry. Out of 180, we're at 168, minus just a hair for denim and rice and stuff like that. So it's hanging on to its weight pretty good. Like I said, that's a good bullet. Yeah, it's the best one I found working through this CVA Hunter. And with all the other videos, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yeehaw!